yung what advice do you think yung pwede mong maibigay na they
Okay.
can do on their own para at least ma-reach nila yung something similar to you, to what you
Okay, number
have?
one, siguro, number one is mindset, mindset.
Mindset.
Huwag mong
Yeah.
isipin dahil Pilipino ka,
Mhm.
hanggang 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 a certain level ka na lang,
Mhm.
right? Right? May mga kilala ko na dating factory worker, may kilala ko
Mhm.
na dating
Mhm.
pandesal delivery boy. Ngayon, ang dami-dami nilang lagpas 100
Yeah,
ang
properties.
rental unit
Yeah.
sila, no? In fact, I learned from them.
Mhm.
Ito yung mga nag-aaral sa probinsya, alam mo yun,
Mhm.
hindi sikat na eskwela sa Philippines.
Mhm.
Tapos dating dito ng factory worker, dating dito ng
Mhm.
pandesal delivery boy,
Mhm.
and they are thriving. They are thriving,
Mhm.
ano. So so yung mindset very key yung mindset na hindi
Mhm.
porket nag-aral sila sa isang probinsya sa
Mhm.
na college sa Pilipinas, hindi porket nandito ka as factory worker hanggang doon ka na lang. Hindi.
Yep.
Kaya mong umangat.
Mhm.
And nakaka-inspire yun kasi kung kaya nila, kaya ko rin,
Mhm.
kaya nating lahat. Kasi
Mhm.
Pilipino yan eh.
Mhm.
Pilipino yan eh. Tapos mindset, ano, and then kasi importante sa mindset, pati yung sinasabi, may naririnig ako na kasi hindi ako magaling mag-English, hindi ako magaling
Mhm.
magsalita.
Mhm.
Itong mga kaibigan ko na ito,
Mhm.
hindi rin sila magaling magsalita.
Mhm.
Again, factory worker, pandesal
Mhm.
delivery boy, pero ngayon
Mhm.
lagpas 100 rental units. So, yun yung mindset, no.
Mhm.
Number two is yung discipline, okay?
Mhm.
Kung puwede namang mag-shopping sa Value Village, right? Imbes na
Mhm.
mag-shopping sa The Bay or sa Holt Renfrew, sa Value
Yeah.
Village na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi wag ka mandidiri sa second hand, ano?
Mhm.
Ang nagpupunta ka sa Kabalen, sa restaurant, Kabalen,
Yep.
sa restaurant, yung kubyertos diyan sa Kabalen or sa kung anumang restaurant
Ulit-ulit.
Sa Moxie's, hindi naman brand new yan eh. Hindi
Oo.
naman brand new yan eh.
Yeah.
Yung kutsara na yan, ilang libo, ilang daan ang sumubo niyan eh.
Mhm.
Right? Hinuhugasan-hugasan lang yan eh. So kung
Mhm.
ikaw okey sa'yo na sumubo ng second hand
Very good,
na
yeah.
kutsara, ba't
Yeah.
hindi ka magsuot itong suot ko second hand 'to eh. Ba't di ka
Mhm.
magsuot ng second hand? Lalaban mo lang yan tapos na eh,
Mhm.
right? So una,
Makes sense.
mindset, pangalawa, discipline,
Save.
and number three is yung ano, yung community. Importante yung
Community.
community 'no.
Mhm.
Hindi lahat pera, kailangan makisalamuha ka na. Couples for Christ is one good example na
Mhm.
alam mo yun, mingle with people who have good values, no?
Share the same
Kasi at
values,
the end of the
yeah.
day, hindi lang pera, pati yung pamilya mo eh. As a
Mhm.
father, kailangan okay kang asawa, okay kang anak, okay kang
Mhm.
kaibigan, right?
Mhm.
And magtutulungan kayo eh as a community eh, right?
Mhm.
Magtutulungan kayo eh, right? So yun yung tatlong advice na mabibigay ko. So
Mhm.
mindset, discipline, and community.
Very
Okay?
nice, very nice. Maraming salamat, bro. I know busy ka din at a lot of us na mga kababayan are very proud to hear this words of wisdom, and also very proud na isang kababayan natin have reached this height na talagang successful sa buhay with a thriving family. And not only that, me as a person, I appreciate and I honor you because knowing you, I've learned so much from you, and you're a source of inspiration sa aming lahat na na mga Filipino Canadians, right? Na kung kaya mo, kaya din natin, right?
Exactly. Pero bro, I also want to say na ang dami ko rin natututunan sa iyo, no?
Mhm.
Mutually learning. Mutually
Mhm.
learning, no? I honor you also, bro, kasi I like how you hustle, right? And,
Mhm.
and na-inspire ako sa iyo, bro. In fact, kaya gusto ko yung pagka nagkwentuhan tayo yung mga side business niyo
Mhm.
ng misis mo.
Mhm.
Nakaka-inspire kasi ang ginagawa niyong mga negosyo is mga talagang active eh, active
Mhm.
business eh, hindi lang passive income eh.
Mhm.
Iyon yung hindi ko pa nagagawa. Kaya nakaka-inspire. So you are one of my many inspirations
Mhm.
na na yun na nga, kung kaya mo ko, dapat kaya ko rin, 'di ba? Kung kaya mo, dapat kaya ko
Tama,
rin.
tama, bro.
Kumbaga walang pumipigil sa atin, 'no,
Yes, yes.
na at saka yun na nga 'no, na na salamat sa inspiration, bro. Ang dami ko in fact isang ginagawa mong vlog, nakaka-inspire kasi parang, "Uy, okey 'to, ah." Para
Mhm.
parang mukhang masarap gawin, right?
Mhm.
So kaya nga I want to pick I'll follow your lead here. I'll follow your lead,
Sure, sure, bro.
I'll follow your
Anytime.
lead. I'll follow your
Yeah,
lead. May mga ideas ako, pero
there you
hindi ganito.
go.
May mga ideas ako na ano, pero down the road it's something I might end up doing. Pero I'm
Very
learning so
good.
much from you. Okay, I want to
That's
learn
good,
from you.
bro. That's good, bro. Kasi
Uh,
we as a community can thrive when we have. I believe kasi na if you wanna go get into something, you need to find a mentor, right? Na
yes, exactly. Exactly.
who've already done
Exactly. Exactly.
what you wanna do, who kumbaga kung narating na niya yung gustong mong marating, and he also or she nagkaroon na sila ng mga mistakes na you don't
Yes.
need to make mistakes from.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly.
maraming salamat, bro, and sa susunod ulit, at
Maraming salamat, ha.
yung mga kababayan natin na, if you wanna get in touch kay Bro Peewee, Peewee siya yun ang nickname namin sa
Nickname, yes,
kanya
yes,
na
yes, yes.
we know him
Yes.
as Peewee. Kay Bro Luis, if you wanna get into the community sa Couples for Christ, if you wanna learn more about investing dito sa Canada, US, he's the go